17 animals more likely to kill you than sharks. Sharks can be intimidating. In the water they're faster than we are, can appear from what seems like out of nowhere in an instant, and pack a solid bite. But in terms of numbers, sharks aren't the animals you should be most afraid of. Of the 5 fatal shark encounters worldwide that occurred in 2019, 2 were confirmed to be unprovoked. However, there are plenty of other creatures that you should be wary of. Some of the smallest animals, insects, cause significantly more deaths each year than sharks. And some of our favorite farm animals and pets are more likely to harm humans than the shark. Number 17. Freshwater snail. When a parasite released by infected freshwater snails penetrates human skin, it can develop a disease called schistosomiasis, causing abdominal pain and gastrointestinal issues. People are mostly infected during agricultural or recreational activities that expose them to dirty water, while communities with inadequate access to hygiene and medical treatment are most at risk. The WHO estimates an annual death rate of 200,000 from snail-derived schistosomiasis throughout the world. Number 16. Tapeworm. Intestinal infection from tapeworms arises from eating undercooked infested pork, poor hygiene, or ingesting contaminated water. They can get exceptionally dangerous when they enter the central nervous system, causing neurological symptoms like epileptic seizures. In higher-risk communities where the disorder can be more difficult to diagnose, sometimes even written off as witchcraft, the parasites are associated with up to 70% of epilepsy cases. Number 15. Spiders. While most spiders are non-venomous, spider bites caused the death of 49 people in the US between 2008 and 2015. The most venomous spiders in North America are black widow and brown recluse spiders. Common reactions to black widow spider bites are stomach cramps, pain and swelling at the site of the bite, and chills or sweating. The reaction to a brown recluse spider bite, which includes pain, fever, chills, and body aches, usually increases during the first 8 hours after the bite occurs. Deaths from venomous spider bites, while extremely rare, occur more often in children. Number 14. Jellyfish. Box jellyfish are considered one of the most venomous marine animals. A human stung with a high dose of the jellyfish's lethal toxin can die within a few minutes from anaphylactic shock and cardiac arrest. Human deaths from toxic jellyfish, which may be underreported, range from 4 to 38 per year. Most of these occur in the Indo-Pacific region and northern Australia. Number 13. Mosquitoes. The mosquito, which causes millions of deaths each year, is the source of more deaths than any other animal. Malaria, a parasitic infection, is the top cause of mosquito-related death with 400,000 annually, mostly in children under age 5. Another 40,000 deaths occur each year due to dengue, a viral infection transmitted by mosquitoes. Number 12. Stonefish. Thanks to their camouflaged bodies, which have evolved to mimic their muddy, coral-filled habitats, stonefish are able to sit unnoticed at the bottom of the ocean and wait for unsuspecting prey to swim by before attacking. They use 13 defensive spines lined across their back to release venom under pressure, resulting in pain, swelling, or necrosis. While there have been few human deaths attributed to stonefish, a sting will still require immediate medical attention. Number 11. Hippos. Known to be aggressive, hippos kill 500 people annually in Africa. However, hippos are essential to the ecosystem, and humans cause more harm to the hippo population than the other way around. Hippos are listed as vulnerable with an estimated population of only 115,000 to 130,000 individuals remaining. Number 10. Deer. A 2019 study estimated that 440 people are killed in the US each year due to vehicle collisions between drivers and deers. These deaths occurred most often between the months of July and September. The states with the highest number of fatal accidents between animals and vehicles are Texas, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Number 9. Golden poison frog. The largest of the poison frog species doesn't grow more than 2.3 inches in length, but its skin secretes a poison called batrachotoxin that can cause paralysis and death even in small amounts. Scientists believe that these endangered frogs, endemic to the Pacific coast of Colombia, sequester lethal amounts of batrachotoxin through their diet of poisonous ants. They are able to avoid poisoning themselves thanks to a naturally occurring substitution at the batrachotoxin receptor within their muscles. Number 8. Bees. Bees, and their stinging counterparts, wasps and hornets, caused the deaths of 478 people in the US between 2008 and 2015 because of an allergic reaction to their sting. While most do not have a severe reaction, people over 65 experience the highest mortality rate due to stings. Be aware of signs of a severe allergic reaction, a list that includes swelling of the throat and tongue, rapid pulse rate, and difficulty breathing. Number 7. African buffalo. The only species of wild cow found in Africa, the African buffalo is characterized by its heavy ridged horns used to fight against predators or for dominance against other males. These horns, combined with their natural aggressive nature and massive size, make them exceptionally dangerous. In East Africa, they are known for breaking down fences in order to raid cultivated crops, which sometimes results in human conflict and deadly accidents. Number 6. Dogs. As a result of man's best friend, the dog, 272 people died in the US between 2008 and 2015. Dogs, which are responsible for transmitting almost 99% of rabies cases to humans, are the main source of human rabies deaths. The most effective way to prevent the transmission of rabies from dogs to humans is to vaccinate dogs. Number 5. Cows. Every year, approximately 20 people in the US are killed by these seemingly docile creatures. The number of human deaths due to interactions with cows is also included in a study that indicated the total number of deaths due to other mammals in the US between 2008 and 2015 was 72. Number 4. Horses. Every year, 20 people die due to our equine friends, mostly in horse riding accidents. A study of human fatalities between 2008 and 2015 indicates that a total of 72 people died as a result of other mammals, which includes horses, cows, pigs, cats, raccoons, and others. Number 3. Snakes. Between 2008 and 2015, 48 people died from venomous snake and lizard bites. Of the estimated 7,000 to 8,000 venomous snake bites in the US each year, approximately 5 will result in death. The most common types of venomous snakes in the US are rattlesnakes, copperheads, and coral snakes. Number 2. Tsetse fly. Trypanosomiasis, a disease endemic in 36 sub-Saharan African countries, is caused by parasite transmission by infected tsetse flies. For those who don't receive immediate treatment, the disease is fatal. Annual cases numbered well above the tens of thousands until 2009, and luckily, sustained control efforts over the last few decades have reduced the number of global cases, with just 977 recorded cases in 2018. Number 1. Assassin bug. Similar to the tsetse fly, the assassin bug is known for the disease it spreads, Chagas disease. There are between 6 million and 7 million people infected with Chagas disease globally, mostly in urban settings, and the condition accounts for approximately 10,000 deaths per year.